our live stream. I'm Cedar. This is my Abby. Okay.
So hey guys, see you again. Today I'm Albie from SprintPCB. Now we have a new partner in our company, and she will accompany with me to introduce our SprintPCB factory and our office to you. So hey guys, it's so nice to see so many people joining in our live stream. Okay, today we are going to take you to behind the scenes of our top-tier PCB factory.
Before we walk into our workshop, let me introduce who we are. We specialize in manufacturing, focusing on high precision PCB and PCBA services.
Yes, our main and quick strength is handling the quick turn samples and
variable to 40-layer high count PCB. So no matter whether it's high frequency HDI or rigid flex at high speed, or we can fabricate.
Hey Cedar, I noticed many of our customers recently are asking for more than just the bare PCB. They want one-stop PCB manufacturing like the PCBA, right?
Yes, you are right, Abby. That's why we have upgraded our services to one-stop PCBA service. We don't just make PCB, we can do component sourcing and assembly, PCB SMT, assembly and testing.
Okay, and we have, you can see we have one PCBA sample here, and look at this. This is the compressed 12-layer PCB design, and we have to source the ICs, have to source the resistors and passive and native components for the PCB based on your BOM, and also produce the PCB based on your Gerber file and perform a functional test before the shipping. So to make sure the quality is okay before the shipping, so you can test in the next step after you receive the PCBAs.
Yes. The one-stop services can solve your biggest pain points, supply chain management. You don't need to talk to different vendors. You just need to send one PO to us, and then when we handle and receive it and work it perfectly.
So if you are a purchasing manager or an engineer, you can save weeks of time, one PO, one shipment, and zero headache.
Yes, we are proud of our quality. We have many different certifications like ISO 19001, IATF 16949, and UL. So we treat every prototype as the same standard as mass production. So our quality will be very good for you.
Yeah, I see many questions on the screen about the lead times. So we will answer about our lead time as we work and ready to see our new factory. Okay, so let's go to have a look at our office first and go out to have a look at our workshop, our factory. Okay?
Okay, we can go to our showroom first and then go to our office.
Okay.
Here is all our certifications. You can see.
Yeah, we have many different certifications here. Just see that show us we have UL, ISO, IATF 16949 certifications, and we have many rights to use the ERP system for our PCB management, such like that. So for all the orders from you, place the order, and we manage the PCB production and the service, so all are in order. Yes.
Yes, yes. Because different customers have different requirements. Yeah. Some customers, if their applications is used in military or aerospace or some like industrial, they will need this kind of certification. Especially for Europe customers, they need UL, American UL and Canadian UL.
Yes, yes. So we can have a look on the world, the showroom on the world. We have the partner and our future plans about our factory history. So we can have a short introduce about our partner first.
Our partner, you can see there.
Our ink, solder mask ink.
Yeah, solder mask ink tile is our very, we use very normally. And for material, we use like Rogers and WL, Wanling.
Yes.
And Taiyao, KB and Shengyi. Yes. We mainly focus on some high frequency and high speed board. So this kind of best material is very normal for our stock. We will keep a safety stock every month.
Yeah, and it requires extreme precise in the lamination and drilling. So many factories can do it. Cannot do more than 40 layers, such like that, but we can because our advantage is for the multi-layer PCB, HDI, high frequency, and high-speed PCB manufacturing. And so, just see the introduced, we have the high-speed, high-frequency base PCB material in our stock.
Yes.
So we can support very fast delivery.
That's why our name is SprintPCB because we have fast delivery and with the safety stock.
So our SprintPCB is started in Daxing district in Beijing city in 2007. And then after 2 years, we moved the PCB factory from Beijing to Shenzhen city, right? But the PCBA factory is still in Beijing city. But now we are also developing the PCBA factory in Shenzhen right now.
We have some PCBA factory in Shenzhen. So it will be more convenient for you to audit our factory, no matter for PCB or PCBA factory. Until now, we already have about over 19 years of experience in PCB and PCBA services.
Yes, and we have tested the HDI PCB prototype since 2012 and get the IATF certification and UL certification already in 2017.
This certification is very important for some customers with application in automotives.
And actually you see this modern and beautiful office and factory here. We just moved this workshop since 2024, the end of 2024.
It's a new shop, but PCB experience and PCB
experience,
more than 19 years.
Yes. So, and about the PCB application we made, we have the industrial control, medical device, and also some like electronical and security, AI, communication, such like that. So we focus more on the high-end PCB manufacturing, like multi-layer, HDI, high frequency, high-speed PCB manufacturing.
Yes, especially AI, computing and 5G communication is very popular in our current society.
So we can have a look at the samples.
We have many different kind of PCB samples here to show customer how our technology is good and what kind of difficulty technology we can handle. So maybe we can show some of them to customers.
Yes, such like this one, it is a thick PCB. It's more than 6 millimeter.
6 millimeter.
And the surface finish is immersion gold.
It's very, I think it's very thick. The board thickness is very thick.
So if you need a lamination, it's a multi-layer PCB, more than 10 layer PCBs. Yeah, 10 layer PCB.
Actually, for 40 layer PCB, we can also handle control the thickness within 1.6 millimeter.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, here this kind of this board, can you see it here? Oh, I can check.
So if the light is okay, yeah.
Look at this sample. It is for 14 layer PCB. We use material type is TU768. The surface finish is immersion gold, and the application is communication.
Yeah,
It
that's
has
special
back drilling, special technical, very much PGA.
Yeah, so we have many customers focus on the application like the communication, right?
Yeah.
Communication.
Communication.
Yes. So how about that we show everybody to have a look at our office
Yes.
to see our new stuff.
Okay. From here you can see our office is a very big team. We have over 100 employees here. Yeah, here is our sales and our customer service department. Over there you can see some engineers, over 80 employees there.
Yeah, we can support very fast, quick reaction. After you send the RFQ to us, we can respond your RFQ, your inquiries within 2 working hours.
Yeah. Very fast. Once we receive your GABA file, we will have our quotation team will check your GABA file and make quick response about price to you. The salesperson and the customer service person is who you talk to every day. Okay, over there we can see our engineering department.
Yeah, and it's a bit quiet here than the factory, so that is why we will provide a very quiet environment for our engineers, our sales, so can provide you to more precise, more checking in detail for your global file. So make sure no problem during the tracking, and even we can help you to find any issues during your original global file to help you to save time.
Yeah, we will save much time for customer. Once you receive your global file, our engineer will check very carefully and find. You can see.
Let's have the camera here.
You can see the screen in front of our engineer. You can see the screen. They are checking your global file, the global file from customers, to check the trace wise, the trace space, and also any missing of drilling. After checking, they will put up with our suggestions to customers.
Some customers is asking about the EQ time, so don't worry, we can issue EQ in the same day when you issue the PO to us. And because we have
3 shifts. Yeah, our engineer team have
Yeah.
three shifts.
So we can support very fast working global file and EQ within the same day once you issue the PO to us.
Yeah. Do you know how many employees in our department?
Yeah, I will be very proud to introduce you. We have more than 100 engineers in our office.
Wow,
yeah,
so
that's
many.
why we can support very fast delivery, very fast quick reaction about your inquiry. When you send emails or give us a call, yeah, we can give you very professional and fast reaction to you.
No wonder our name is SprintPCB. Okay, maybe we can move to we will head down to the first floor about our workshop.
Yeah, and this is our training room. We have one media meeting room, one training room, one meeting room. So every week we will have 3 different training to our workers and our staffs.
Oh.
Yeah, we will train about many different topics like the safety of production and how to use the machines, the equipment, such like that. So we can, yeah.
That make our staff, our employees more professional in
yes.
production, no matter for to our supplier or to our customer. They will answer you with a very fast and professional response.
Yeah, and we also provide very good service to customers. Do you know what?
What? I can listen.
We can help customers to train customers about PCB knowledge online.
Oh, yes, that's great.
Of course, if you come to visit our factory, it will be more convenient to you. But if not, it's okay. We can train you. We can discuss the PCB knowledge or PCB industry, and online we can have meeting like that. So we can give you this kind of extra service to you.
Yes. Okay. Let's heading
down. Yeah, let's take the elevator down, and then we go through our PCB workshop. The drilling workshop is in the same building, right?
Workshop. Oh, actually, we have 2 buildings.
2 buildings.
Yeah. The first building is just down this this
first
building.
floor.
Yeah, the first floor. The first floor we have a drilling process, the material warehouse. Our office is on the 3rd floor.
Yeah, on the 3rd floor. And another building also has 3 floors, and all the 3 floors is for the PCB manufacturing. Yeah.
Later we will show you around, take you a tour to our.
So do you work very happily in our office, in our company?
Yeah. It will be a happy time. So I'm not sure if the signal will be good when we are in the elevator.
Yeah, but it's okay. If not, we can see again within 5 seconds maybe.
Yeah. 5 seconds.
Okay. So if your customer have any inquiry, what kind of documents they can send to us to inquire the PCB? What kind of documents?
Global file and the specification.
File.
If you need PCBA service, maybe you also need to provide the BOM list, BOM list.
BOM list.
Yeah,
right.
BOM list.
Yeah, so for PCB board, just need a global file. But
and
for PCBA, need global file
PCBA
and
BOM list.
BOM list. Yes. Okay.
There is a very important step. Before we step in, we need to take shoe covers. This is very important because our workshop is free dust.
Yes.
Thank you.
So our first site will be the drilling workshop, right?
Yeah,
drilling workshop.
Drilling process.
Actually, we have more than 35 equipment in the drilling workshop.
Machines, right?
Yeah, 35 machines for the drilling. And this 10 drilling machines is new advanced in end of last year. Yeah. And we have different brands of the machines. We have Dazu. Dazu brand.
What kind of brand?
Yeah, and Vigor. In Chinese it's Vigor. So 2 different brands. This brand is top in China, top brand in China.
Top
so
brand in China.
they can provide us very precise drilling technology. Yeah,
yes,
precise.
for many typical PCB, like high frequency and high speed, they need very very precise drilling.
Yes.
Strict standard for the whole side.
Yeah, yes. And we also have this, it's the X-ray. Yeah, the X-ray after the drilling to test the whole side, to test, to inspect the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, to make sure after the drilling, no the quality issues happen. And you can
need to on the right position.
yes, yes. And you can see we have this drilling machine with 6 heads.
Oh yeah.
So we can support the mass production.
It's for production.
And this one has the 2-head drilling machine for samples.
It's for sample, right?
Yeah, 2 heads for
sample.
sample. And also, of course, we have 2-head machine, 4-head machine, 6-head machine.
Yeah.
So we can support different quantity volume.
Yeah, different quantity, different batches. Sample, we use this kind of machine. It's very more productive.
Yes, yes. So we can support you the prototype, small mass production, and high volume quality, high quality PCB manufacturing, mass production, something like that.
Next process, we can step into warehouse.
Yes, because mass
Material
warehouse is warehouse, so we can go through this way.
Our production line is very busy.
Yeah.
Every employee. How about our delivery? So many customers will very care about the delivery time, lead time. Maybe they want to know how quick is your lead time. Yeah, how quick?
Yeah.
You said your lead time is very fast and quicker. So how fast? How quick?
So firstly, I will introduce, we can produce 2 to 40 layer PCB manufacturing.
Yeah.
So for example, prototype PCB manufacturing, the lead time is for 2 layer, 4 layer is 5 working days.
Oh, so customers no need to pay the urgent cost. You can support this kind of delivery time. No need any urgent cost.
No.
No.
Yes.
This is a very normal lead
Yes.
time for you.
Yes, this is just normal lead time. If you want faster lead time, yeah, we can also support you the urgent production expedited order. Yeah. And for 4 layer is also 5 working days. For 6 layer is 6 working days.
Is there equal time included in the 5 days? Yeah, is the equal time, engineering equal time included in this days?
It's
5 days.
It's including the engineer question lead time. If you can reply our EQ within 1 day, and then our lead time is included EQ lead time.
Wow.
Yes,
great.
So that's why we can support you the high frequency, one-stop and quick reaction, quick delivery. Yeah.
I know many PCB factory, they could only support lead time after EQ, maybe 7 days after EQ closed. Their EQ time also need maybe 1 to 2 days. That's very long. Yeah, that's. Oh, now I understand why our factory can support so fast delivery, because the EQ time is short.
Included. Yes, the EQ time is
short.
included. Once you can reply the EQ within the 1 day, we send the EQ to you.
Yes, three shifts of
engineering
department.
And even for some orders, we can, in the same time, meanwhile, we can send you EQ with the working Gerber together. So it can help you to save time. No need to reply the EQ first and then working Gerber file. Yeah, some will do like that. They do different 2 steps. EQ first and working Gerber later. But it costs time. But we can send you EQ together with the working girder
At
together.
the same time together.
Yeah, at the same time, so
that
it
will
can
be
help
very
you to save
convenient
time.
for customer.
Yes,
Yeah.
very convenient
They
because
don't need to wait again and
time
again.
difference. There no need to worry about the time difference.
Wow.
Yeah, and our overseas sales can work. We have different time shifts too.
Oh.
Yeah, to meet different working time for customers. Yes.
As I know, we could also support some quick term. That
yes,
means
quick term.
when customer, if they can accept urgent cost, we can support much more faster.
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
That's
faster
the-
time, yeah.
So what is the fastest delivery time? Yeah, for quick
delivery
term?
time.
For
If
2-layer?
the most fastest lead time is 24 hours.
24
working hours to 2-layer PCB.
Including EQ time and production time.
Yeah, it's the same, including the EQ time. If you can reply EQ within the same day.
Yeah, that the customer reply our EQ
very fast,
quickly.
within 2 working hours in the same day.
Yeah,
and then
okay.
we can deal with the production within 24 working hours for 2-layer PCB and 48 working hours for the 4-layer PCB. That is the
Wow.
quick turn delivery for.
Sounds great.
Yes. So the warehouse we will introduce just now. Sita in the office have introduced. We have the different space material brand.
Yeah. We have different brands.
Yeah.
From this material warehouse, you will see the material type I already introduced in our office before this.
So we have the This one is
Here
KB.
you can see KB. Yeah, this is one material type of KB brand, KB6164. The TG is TG140, 140. It's in our factory, KB is not the best material. It's very normal material.
Very normal, common one. Yeah. Our better and higher level is like TUC. And
TUC,
also Rogers.
Rogers.
Shengyi.
Shengyi.
Yeah. And also have the ITEQ and another different brand PCB material to support you.
Yes.
Yeah, different PCB design, different PCB demand. So we can support you. In our stock, we can fast to pick up the suitable base material based on your requirements. Yes.
You can see our the frame material frame is very high.
Yeah,
we have
they place in order. Yeah, place in order in row. Yeah.
Place in order.
Yes. So let's go to have a look to our another building.
Okay.
Yeah, another building is about the circuit making more further PCB manufacturing processes.
Okay. After drilling process, we need to wash the balls.
Yes, wash the balls.
After washing, then step into the PTH process.
Yes. So actually, the first floor in this building is the wet buildings, wet machines, because all the heavy equipment, the wet equipment is in the first floor, and this machines equipment is for the lamination. Lamination.
We have 4 hot lamination machine and 2 cold machine.
Yes.
4 hot machine.
Yeah. 2 cold and 4 high temperature.
High temperature. For high temperature machine, how many hours does it take?
Do you know how many hours it takes?
I think it is 4 hours.
Yes,
High temperature machine. For cold machine, low temperature machine, 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
3 hours. 3 hours, I think.
Yeah, 2 to 3 hours.
Oh.
Yeah, and so that's why we can support you the multilayer PCB. The key process is for the lamination for multilayer PCB. So we can support, and our advantage is for the multilayer PCB and high frequency HDI, high speed PCB manufacturing. So we can have a look at this line and the camera to see this. So this line is for the pattern plating.
Pattern plating,
Yeah,
yes.
pattern plating. This is after the circuit making and then pattern make plating.
Oh, after check.
Yeah, after the circuit, inner circuit,
circuit process.
yeah, and then the pattern plating. Okay, and we can walk through this way. So this line is for the etching line. Yeah, actually, etching line will have several minute different processes in etching. Now we have see this is the swirler, and the film stripping. Yeah, different tank to deal with different process during the etching process, and the film stripping too. And this is for watching. Yeah,
Oh,
watching.
extra
Yeah,
for
by water watching.
Yeah.
And then air blowing to clean, to make it dry. Watch, dry it after washing. Yeah, yes.
Vacuum etching.
Yeah. So this two tank is for the vacuum etching. Yeah, vacuum etching.
The production line, the etching line is very
Yeah,
long.
yeah, it's very long. So we can, you can see, we have the etching line, and also this from this window. We can see from this line. This is another side for the lamination workshop.
Yeah, the machine is very automatic.
Yeah, automatic.
You can grab the metal and then to another
Place. Yes, yes. So we can support the automatic machines and semi-automatic or the handmade. Yeah. So do you know what this line for? For which process? This is for the oxygen, the brown oxygen. Yeah. Brown oxygen is made before the lamination. So to make sure the base material could better connective each inner layer and outer layer of the core of the PCB board before the lamination. So we will need a brown oxygen.
It is before, after the inner circuit. After the inner circuit.
After inner circuit.
It needs to go through the brown oxygen. Then go into the lamination workshop.
Yes, yes, yes.
It seems most of our equipment, production equipment is very automatic.
Yes,
So
automatic.
how many employees in our factory?
Actually, in our factory we have more than 500 employees working here. Yeah.
Because we need to support fast delivery time, so we
Yes,
need more
yes.
employees.
Yes, and because some of our employees they work two shift time, two shift.
Oh,
two
for the
time
production.
shift. Yeah,
production
yeah.
line. Oh,
Yes.
I see.
So we can support customer very fast delivery because our workers can work two time shift.
The day shift and
The day and
night.
different night. Yes. And this room is for the chemical
what is the whole the thickness in wall? Whole thickness in wall. We can
okay.
handle.
Normally is about 18 mil
80, yeah.
18 mil amp. And
Okay.
if you need 30, 35, 5 or 25, we can also support.
As I know, the average thickness 25 is IPC 2 class, IPC class 2. Yeah. About IPC class 3, it is 35. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can also handle.
Yeah, we can handle. Yeah, but also support the thick copper thickness, like more than 5 amps, 6 amps.
Oh, it's very heavy.
Yeah, very heavy copper thickness. We can support.
It sounds it's very heavy. Oh, it seems all about plating. Our process is on the first floor.
Yeah, because they are very heavy equipment.
Oh,
Yeah,
very
the
heavy
first
equipment.
floor. So the first floor can support it.
Yeah, the equipment is very heavy, like cover plating and panel plating, pattern plating, and also
lamination, oxygen, like that, etching. Yeah.
It's very reasonable.
Yeah, reasonable. So our machines is not just right in the same place based on the process. It's based on the machines different specification based on the weight of the machine.
It is also very convenient because
It's very convenient.
according to the process of PCB, we need to do PDAs first and then panel plating. So this is very convenient.
Yeah, also very convenient.
Okay. Okay. Well, what is the next process?
Yes. So let's go to the second floor.
Second floor. Okay. We have
The circuit making.
Yeah. Okay. We also have different process on the second floor.
So we have some new friends coming in our lab, like swimming. Yeah. Say hello. Welcome to SprintPCB. I'm Elby. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a seater.
Yes. Our advantage is for the multilayer PCB manufacturing, HDI, high frequency, high speed PCB manufacturing.
Yeah.
So
We have over 19 experience in PCB and the PCB services.
yes. And this is the PCB factory we introduced today. This is the PCB factory only. And next time we can introduce our PCBA factory.
Yeah, we have component sourcing and SMT assembly and also some functional test. We can give you very full package services.
Yes, one-stop service. Yeah,
for
full
customer,
service.
some customers it's very pain point for them about supply chain management. So if the customer place order to us, we can just you place one order to us, and then we give you one shipment. It very save time and cost for customer.
One PO, one shipment, no
Yeah, one
headache.
PO, one shipment.
No headache.
No headache.
Yes. So
Okay.
we can help you to save cost, save the time. Yeah, even to give you, provide you extra service like the training. Yeah, like help you to track the global file. Yeah, to support you some technical inquiries to help you to design your global file before based on our capacity.
Our engineer could also give our suggestion of the design of your product.
Yes. Okay, so this is our second floor.
Okay.
Yeah, the main process is making the circuit, right?
Circuit. Circuit, and before circuit, we need to have some
cameras.
wrapping treatment.
Yeah, the roughing we have the middle roughing and like the low speed, high speed, different roughing lines. And inside room is the no dust room.
Cleaning room.
Cleaning room. Yes.
We
So
need to wear special clothes.
yeah, yes. we should have the cleaning platform to wear the hat,
Oh.
yeah, clothes, and the shoes inside. Yeah. So today we will show you go through, have a look over through the window.
Yeah. Just outside.
Yeah, outside
the cleaning room.
Okay, we can have a see here in this workshop. We can see we also have the AOI. Yeah.
For all boards after etching.
Not optical. It is for 100% all boards.
Yeah, 100% by AOI machine.
Yeah, by AOI machine. After the circuit
And
making.
we also have manual inspection. So that means we combine the AOI machine and manual inspection to
yes.
make sure 100% quality insurance.
Yes, this is just AOI for the circuit checking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is just process checking, not the final checking. So each process we will have QC, have AOI checking. So make sure before the next process, we make sure the PCB board is in good quality.
Yeah, if we find any problem in AOI, we need to find it and just repair it or scrap or just scrap it.
Yes, come to have a look. So, Cedar, do you know what kind of standard we follow based on the PCB manufacturing?
Oh,
IPC standard?
IPC class 2?
Yeah,
And also 3.
so we can support IPC class 2, IPC class 3 based on your requirements. Yeah, our common standard is based on class 2.
Yeah, common. Yeah, most of our products, the customer will accept IPC class 2. But for some very strict customer, they will have strict
3.
requirement.
So we can also support class 3.
We can also support, but maybe the price will be a little higher, I think.
Yeah, but it is common. All of us, we know that higher quality, more strict requirements, and then more expensive. But in the market, our price is very competitive, right?
Of course.
Okay.
Let's move to next step. Next process.
Yes. So later I will introduce an interesting thing to you. Do you know which location our factory in Shenzhen? Which location?
We are located in Bao'an, Fuyong.
Yeah, Bao'an district, Fuyong, and we near the airport.
Yeah.
International airport in Shenzhen.
Near.
So we can see the airplane. Yeah, the plane in the sky.
Just above our head.
Above our factory every day. Or we can see it every 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah.
So short.
So it's very convenient for you if you come to visit our factory. You can just take three stations by metro. You can come to visit our factory from the airport.
It's very convenient.
Yeah, very convenient.
So for us, we really welcome your audit to our factory.
Yeah, of course, if you don't have time, you can also arrange the online meeting with us. We can also to show you our factory by VR, or also in this live streaming, or we can have the video meeting.
Through this kind of way, we can also let you know more about our factory, about our workshop, about our technology.
Hello. Yes. So now we can from this window to see this is the LDI. We have two LDI machines for the circuit making.
Exposure machine.
Exposure machine.
LDI is many suppliers, many PCB factories, they don't have an LDI because they use the traditional film.
They use film, but we circuits width or gap for you.
especially for our high frequency board.
Yeah, more
need a
important for that kind of
Uh,
high-end PCB
Yeah,
manufacturing.
need more precision circuit.
Yes, yes, yes.
So LDI. Not only for circuit process,
Yeah,
for
not
solder
only.
mask, for
We
solder
also-
mask, we also have LDI.
Exactly.
Ah.
We also support the LDI machines for the solder mask exposure.
Wow,
Yes,
sounds
let's
good.
go.
Our factory, the machine is very good.
Yeah, it gives us very many confidence.
And this is quality
for the
assurance for
quality.
customer.
Yeah, and also give confidence for our customers.
Yeah. So if for customer, if they want to get a very good quality PCB, so they need the factory not only on their technologies but also on the machines. Need to have a very advanced machine.
Yes, yes.
Like the LDI we mentioned last
Yes,
now.
and of course, just now, as I introduced in our during workshop, our machines also in very top brand in China, very top brand machines. So we can support more precise, more better production for the PCB. So this workshop is for the solder mask, developing and exposure. And we can also, like just now, we can also see the LDI machines for the solder mask exposure. Yeah, from this window.
He's also in the cleaning room.
Yeah, yes.
They need to wear special coats and cap to make sure the free dust.
Yes. And now we also have the temperature control and moisture control in this cleaning room.
Yeah, temperature and the moisture
Moisture control, yes. So we have the meter to control it. To test
And
control
also
it.
need special control for the color of light.
Oh, yes, yes. Because the exposure, it will need special lights. Yeah.
Do you know why we need to make sure keep free dust in the cleaning room? Do you know why we need to keep free dust in cleaning room?
Could you tell me?
Just if a very tiny dust, it will cause a short circuit.
Oh, yeah.
So it's very important for us to make sure the cleaning room with the free dust.
Yeah, if any dots on the circuit wires, it will make the open circuit or short
open circuit
circuit.
or short circuit.
Oh, I see. So we make sure the quality during the production process, and after that, we also will have the QC to check
accuracy.
all of them 100% to check the PCB board after each PCB processes. And so make sure all the PCB quality is based on the IPC class 2 and IPC class 3.
Yeah, no matter for functional,
Yeah.
but also
No
the
functional issues.
cosmetic.
yes.
好像快到时间了吧？11:28了，大家这么能说？
这样吗？我们讲了这么多，
没有到吗？
他会提醒的，他那里有时间。So we can go on. Okay.
Maybe we can move to the entrance of our factory.
Okay. Yes. And because we can show you more production processes in next live streaming, right?
Yeah, next time.
We can keep some secrets.
So the time is so fast for us to introduce because our no matter for office and also our production line is big.
Yeah,
even
it's
though
very
we
big.
only even though we mainly focus on some quick turn and small to medium batches production, but our factory seems also very big.
Yeah, if you have any other questions, you can write down your questions in the screen, and or you can email us through our website.
Yeah.
On our website, yeah, SprintPCB group.com.
Yeah, they can browse our website because we update our website every week.
Yes.
Okay, we want to move to the entrance. You need to take the elevator.
Yeah. So some new friends asking us our advantage for the PCB manufacturing. Priscilla, can you introduce our advantage?
Advantage?
Yes.
So competitive price, I think I don't need to mention it more because many factory will say their price is good, but we won't say our price is good. We will say our quality and our fast delivery. Actually, fast delivery and high technology is our best advantage.
Yeah.
Just as what we say, high frequency, high speed, HDI, and rigid flex PCB.
Yeah.
So this kind of PCB is what we are focusing on.
Yes. And we support very fast, quick response reaction. Like we can call and reply your reply your inquiries within 2 working hours. Yeah, to give you a quotation within 2 working hours and give you the EQ and working global file within the same day in the when you issue the PO to us.
Yeah, so no matter for quotation time or EQ time, both we are supporting the fast and fast response.
And we also support quick turn PCB delivery time.
Yeah, quick turn.
Yeah, quick turn. If you need urgent, we can support urgent lead time. If no need, we can provide you standard lead time. Our standard lead time is also very fast, such as 5 working days for 2 and 4 layer PCB manufacturing, and 6 working days for the 6 layer PCB manufacturing.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So here is our
Logo.
Yeah.
Very big logo.
Yeah, very
on
big
the
logo.
wall.
Yeah, I will introduce our SprintPCB. This logo is have many different meanings. It represents in green color means environment friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, environment friendly. We have 12 lines in our logo.
S means safe, safety.
Yeah, safety, environment friendly, such like that. So we focus more on the high quality safety, environment, and our people, human, happy working here.
Yeah.
Such like that.
So
Yeah.
no matter from our environment, office environment, to our production line, the environment is very comfortable for
Very
our
comfortable.
employees.
And it's also very convenient for customer visits.
I think a better environment will make our employees make better performance. I think.
Yeah.
It's very productive for our workers working in this kind of factory, and we can communicate more convenient. And,
And we also will provide the training, our team activities to make us all very energetic every
Yes.
day and a productive day. During our working days. So our SprintPCB is not just a PCB manufacturer. We also are good partner. Good partner. We will hope can have very good and friend relationship with our suppliers and customers. We focus on our human being, the happiness, the environment, such like that. We focus more on like this too, safety. Not just manufacturer only. We also are a good partner.
Yeah. So at last, we will have to talk to our customers. If you have this requirement, please just send the file to us, and we will handle the EQ and the quotation as fast as possible.
Yes. And
Thank Thank
for
you.
the yes.
Thank you very
yes.
much for your time.
Thank you.
See you in next live stream.
Next this stream, and I'm LB. She is
I'm-
leader.
Yeah, I'm
So
Cedar.
see you next time. Next time we will introduce the FQC, the testing profile,
yeah,
and
yeah,
also we can introduce also the SMT. So see you.
See you. Bye bye. 我感觉这稿子没怎么看。
了，这里站。